Hi, this is Reshma from my Roboninjas, and till now we have completed that Roboninja is reaching here to the door, but now when he's reaching to the door without this collecting stars, so at the door it will be said like go and bring the ninja key. Okay, so we have to give this message. And one more thing, in this video we'll be creating our enemy, and our enemy will be dodging here, and if Roboninja is coming to collect the ninja key and if it just collide with the enemy, so at that time the game will be over. Okay, so this thing we have to complete in our part 2 of the maze game. For those who have not seen the part 1, please go and check the link below. So let's start the maze game part 2. Okay, so now we have to come to the door because I want here to give a message like bring ninja key. Okay, so if I have given here if then, I have not given if then else. It is like if ninja star key is 1, then I have to give all this task has to be performed. But what about ninja star key is not collected, so it will be 0, then there have to be a message. So in that case we will be writing here if then else. So everything which is here in if then will go in if then else. Just remove this if then, put this condition if then else. Okay, so now if this is the condition, if it is 1, so all this will be done, else there will be a message that we can go and say here, say bring ninja key. Whatever message you will like, you please write it. I want my door to say bring ninja key, then only the door will be open. Okay, so the bring ninja key. Now this thing is done, you can check here. See, okay, now what? Now I want the next thing, my enemy. So first we have to come in our enemy. We have to decide what is the starting position of the enemy. So the starting position of the enemy, I will be starting it from here. He will be sitting here and then he will be going up, dodging and coming back. The green flag is clicked. Starting position is somewhat this. And it need to glide for 3 seconds. He should glide and go here up, right? So up will be 86. It's not minus, it will be plus. Okay. The x will be same, only the y will be changed. After that, now if it is touching this color, he need to come back and come here. He will be just keep on bouncing here. Okay. So you have to go if touching color, give this color. If it is touching this color, the black color, the maze, it will come back to the starting position. So I will be just copying this, glide this statement, I will putting it inside, but it will be minus 86 point, and this whole thing will be done continuously, so it will be forever. Okay, this part is done. See, now what is the next part? I want if it is touching Roboninja, so both the things will be done simultaneously. He is moving also, at the same time Roboninja can come and collide with him. So for that case, we have to do like when the green flag is clicked. Okay, what you have to do, this also need to be done in forever. I will be giving if touching Roboninja. Where is my touching? Touching is in sensing. So it will be like when this Roboninja is going to touch it, what is going to happen here? It will be like a game over screen will come. Okay, I have already designed my backdrop for this, and the Roboninja will be hide. Okay. So in our backdrop, we have made a backdrop of the game over. This screen should appear. So just come in the enemy coding, and what you have to do, first thing, you have to say that you have to broadcast that you lose. You have to say that broadcast you lose, and you have to play a sound that is a lose sound. Okay. Okay, so here our enemy coding is done. Now I need to come to the Roboninja and complete the coding. Now enemy is sending a message broadcast you lose to Roboninja. So Roboninja will be receiving that when I receive, you lose. So what Roboninja is going to do? Roboninja will be hide. Roboninja will be hide, and Roboninja will change the backdrop to game over. Okay, so the backdrop is changed to game over, Roboninja is hide, and whenever the Roboninja is hide, you need to show it in the starting. And one more thing, I need, whenever the game is over, I don't want the video game sound to be playing in the background. Okay, this sound which we have given in the part 1, this sound should stop because the game is over now, right? So I will be giving here in control, there is a stop all, but I won't be doing stop all because I want this enemy and the star to be rotating. So for that case, what we need to do, that only this music which is there in this sprite, that should stop. So I will writing stop other scripts in sprite. Even here, like when last in part 1 we have done stop all because we have to stop all, same thing you can do here also, stop other scripts in sprite. So let's check. I need to check about my enemy. Is my enemy working? It's fine, completely fine. Okay? So our part 1 and part 2 both are completed.
Subscribe.